In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Base44 profile. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you're on the main dashboard. This is usually the first screen you see after signing in, where you can view your projects, data, or any recent activity. Take a moment to let the page fully load because some profile elements can take a second to appear, especially if your connection is a bit slow. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile icon. This might be your initials, a simple avatar, or a small photo if you've already uploaded one. This icon is your main entry point to all of your personal settings and profile details within Base44. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear. This menu typically includes options related to your account such as settings, help, logging out, and of course your profile. If you don't see the menu right away, make sure you actually clicked on the icon itself and not just the surrounding area. On some screens, you might need to click once more if the first click doesn't register. From that menu, look for the option labeled View Profile. This is the section where you can see and manage your personal information, such as your name, role, and sometimes organization details, depending on how your account is set up. Click on View Profile. Once you do that, you'll be taken to your profile page. Here, you can usually review your basic information, confirm that everything is accurate, and familiarize yourself with how your profile appears within your workspace. This page is often where you'll later update things like your display name, profile photo, or other preferences. So it's helpful to know exactly how to return here quickly. If the profile page doesn't load on the first try, you can refresh your browser or click the profile icon and view profile again. In some cases, browser extensions or pop-up blockers can interfere, so using an up-to-date browser and a clean tab is a good idea. And that's it for accessing and viewing your Base44 profile. Once you're comfortable with these clicks, you'll be able to jump into your profile anytime you need to check or adjust your information.